I took welding because I wanted to be more creative and learn how to work with tools.
I took this class because I wanted to learn about machining metal, and it's a great skill because anywhere you go, it's needed as a job. Some of the skills I have learned are how to work with metal and measure using calipers and different tools to make sure that all of my projects are within a couple thousandths of an inch.
I do recommend this to any freshmen or any other students. I do think it's important to have these skills and work in welding just in case it's something you want to do.
I do see this as part of my future career because it's a job that I want to do because I like being able to do something and seeing it work properly out in the world. What I like about the teacher is how he is really hands-on and shows everybody how to do things rather than just telling everybody how to do things.
He's a very good teacher and he has a nice personality, and he doesn't let you do anything alone. He makes sure that if you don't understand something that he'll help you.